welcome back to our next video, that is construction of the index number. So today we are going to see all these 7 points in our today's video. So first one is the purpose of index number. So before the construction of index number, we should define that why we are constructing the index number or what is the scope of the index number, just as for the achievement of the fruitful results. If we want to if we just want to achieve the results, the fruitful results, at that time we have to specify the purpose of the index number. The second is selection of the base year. So this is the main thing what we have to consider during the construction of the index number. So base year, first of all, the base year depends upon the two things. That is, the first one is that the base year should not be a very distant year. Just take an example, if the 2020 is going on at present, and if you are taking the current year as 2020, but if you are taking the base year a distant year, just say 1995 or 2000, so it is very distant year. So that's why we cannot take the distant year. We can take 2018, 2017, which is close, but we cannot take a very far year. And the second thing which you have to consider in the selection of the base year, second thing is that the year which we are taking the base year should not have the natural calamities, just like earthquake or floods are there, tsunami is there. So that year should be totally free from the calamities. Next one is selection of the items. So next one, that is selection of items. That means before the construction of the index number, the items should be selected properly, because we cannot take all the items in the construction of index number. जैसे अगर लिया milk packets are there, we cannot take all the milk packets for the construction of the index number. Only one packet we can take. On that we can just find out the index numbers. Means all the items cannot be included at the same time. Only one item will represent the taste, habits, customs of all the people. Next is selection of the price quotations. So as we know that different shops or different markets, different places, all have the different prices. So this becomes totally unbiased. So before the construction of the index number, if we are calculating the price index number, so the price which is taken, it should be taken from the appropriate agency, which will give us the accurate prices. Next is choice of the suitable average. So the average should be proper. That means arithmetic mean, median, mode, these all are the averages. So the formula should be selected properly. Next is assigning proper weights. Assigning proper weight, that means it can be P or Q. That means it may be based on the weights or it may be based on the values. So all will not have the same weights. Always the weights will change, but it should be done properly. Next, last one is selection of an appropriate formula. So before the construction of the index number, the formula should be selected appropriately, because if the data is not given properly, even if we use the appropriate formula, it will not give us the expected results. So the data, if the data is appropriate, then if we put a formula over there, we will definitely get the right answer, the correct answer, whatever we expect. Thank you.